What's up YouTube? It's your girl Swag Jazz back with another video. And today's video will be a McDonald's breakfast mukbang. And I never did a mukbang. I hope I'm saying this shit right. I never did one of these videos before and I never really watched it. So we just gonna see how this goes. And I got a McDonald's breakfast. It called the big meal. I mean the big breakfast. And I got the pancakes, a sausage and biscuit, and scrambled eggs. So let's get started with this mukbang because your girl is hungry as fuck. Mm. 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 What's up, guys? So I am back. As y'all can see, your girl was hungry as fuck. I ate 2 full pancakes, a whole sausage, a half a biscuit. And as y'all can see in the video, them eggs were just not finna cut. Them eggs were nasty as fuck. And so I did not even try. So y'all took like, y'all see how I cut like 2 little bites off and ate it? That was it, cause that shit was nasty as fuck. I don't know what McDonald's be doing with their eggs, but it was nasty. As y'all can see, it was no hash brown on there because on the ride home, your girl was hungry as hell. So that hash brown been gone. That's the first thing I ate, and your girl ate it with some ketchup. And one thing y'all can see was, I didn't have no jelly. I don't know what the fuck happened to my jelly, because I know I asked the lady to put the jelly in the bag. But as y'all can see, there was no jelly, so I had to eat my sausage and biscuit, naked. And it's cool though. I ain't from the trip. But yeah, I hope y'all guys like this. Oh yeah, one more thing. Your girl had a caramel frappe, but I drank that on the way home too, cause that shit was melting as fuck. I got small and that shit was melting, so I had to go ahead and drink that. So this the end of the video, and I hope y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Cause girl, upcoming YouTuber. I mean, y'all already know the dealio. If you subscribe, like I said in my last video, if you ain't subscribed to Soy J, what you doing with your life?